Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Solana from Binance to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Why do this? It's all about moving your assets securely to a wallet you control, which is key for long-term holding or trading elsewhere. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Coinbase Wallet. Double-check that your Solana is in your Binance spot wallet, not locked in any staking or locked positions. Once that's sorted, log into your Binance account and head over to the Wallet section. From there, click on Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet. That's where your Solana is stored. Next, find the Withdraw button, usually at the top of the page. Select Solana from the list of cryptocurrencies. Now, this is crucial. You'll need to enter your Coinbase wallet address. To get that, open your Coinbase Wallet app, go to the Solana asset, and copy the address. Paste it into the withdrawal form on Binance, and don't forget to double-check it. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive, and one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Before you proceed, Binance might ask you to confirm your identity or enable two-factor authentication for security. Set the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits, which are usually around 0.01 SOL. Hit Withdraw and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. Once the transaction is processed, it might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Head back to your Coinbase wallet. You should see your Solana appear in your balance. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your Solana. A quick tip: always use the Solana network for this transfer to avoid extra fees, and never share your private keys. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.